Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix GTA 5 not saving graphic settings. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we need to go to the GTA 5 files directory, and for me I'm on Steam, so I just need to right click on it, properties, and install files and browse. And typically if you do not find it, is on local disk C, program files x86, then you need to go to Steam apps, common, and then here should be GTA 5 files. And then what you need to do here to fix this issue here, you should see command line.txt file, and that is basically says minus texture quality 0 and ignore different video card. And what you need to do here is to delete this command line txt file, and after that your problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.